Hey Gearheads, Nate here from the tech support team. Welcome back to BZB TV. Today we're doing another how-to setup video. Today we're going over the BG-MV41A multi-viewer, and we're kind of showing how to use this in multiple situations, multiple environments for like live streaming for teachers, educators, artists, whatever it may be, how to use multiple sources and kind of display it. And this device takes 4 HDMI inputs and output it to one HDMI output display where you can have all 4 on the display, or you can switch it up a little bit with the different multi-views, or just have one single input and you can switch that as well. So for today's example and demonstration, we're actually going to be using 4 sources. Today we're going to be using 2 of our laptops as well as 2 of our cameras to show the different angles that we can do for live streaming. And then we're going to output that to our capture device, our BG-MV41A HDMI capture device, to input that video source into our computer for live streaming and connect to platforms such as OBS Studio, Zoom, whatever it may be. So let's go ahead and jump on over to our demonstration. So now I'm in front of our meat board to start off, and this is actually a touch screen, so you can actually draw on it using a finger or a pencil. And this is great for presenters if you're doing live streamings or remote learning. This is great to show off equations or anything you're demonstrating, as well as drawings or whatever it may be. So as you can see, this multi-viewer offers multiple views and different views you can toggle through with the remote here. Right now we're in a mode where you kind of take one source and kind of emphasize it. It also has full screen mode for each source, which is our first source is actually a laptop, kind of showing off if you want to show off a calendar to your viewers. And our second source is actually our EPDZ 4K camera, which actually just getting a tight shot on our touchscreen here, which you can show that close angle to your viewers. It's actually has a nice wide angle lens, so you can cover the board because it's actually pretty close to the board right now. Our next source is our VPDZ camera, which is getting kind of a further angle covering me as well as our presentation board. And the VPDZ camera, actually this is our 10x, but actually it comes in a 20x and 30x as well. And obviously it's a PDZ camera, so if you need to pan left and right to change up your angle or cover up the room, you can do that as well. So another great resource to cover multiple angles using the multi-viewer. And our last source is another laptop with Adobe Illustrator, and this is great for digital artists or designers that are showing off, you know, how they're designing logos or anything they want to display in the multi-view. And so for today's example, we're kind of more focusing on presenters and teachers who want to live stream themselves doing work on the screen for their class or wherever it may be. For instance, if you're a math teacher, we have a math equation at the top here. And if I remember anything from math class back in junior high, find x. And if I remember anything, x should be right there. Did it, boom, there's x. Or if you're a digital artist, want to display some of your artwork and show how you do it. So for example, if you want to add to your art here, you can easily do that by just touching the buttons here, and look like Michelangelo's hungry. I better get him some pizza before he whacks me with his nunchucks. So let's get him some pizza real quick. As you can see, it's really easy to do using this touch board. Add some pepperoni, and there you go. This is also a great resource for digital creators and digital artists who are using, you know, Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, or Procreate to kind of display their art, because I know that's really trending right now to live stream your art there. Well, there you have it, Gearheads. Another awesome solution and equipment from BZBGEAR for teachers, presenters, artists, who want to display their art, live stream it with multiple cameras using our multi-viewer, and make it a really simple solution to present to presenters on the other end. If you have any questions, feel free to leave in the comments below. If you happen to know the answer to this, please let us know in the comments below as well. We'd love to know it, because all I knew where X was and it was right there. So thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to videos like these, and have a great day.